On today's video, we're talking about intermittent fasting while you're traveling. Now, traveling can be a big burden because your body clock is all over the place. You might not be able to eat when you want to eat, and also it may be difficult to get the foods you want to get hold of. But there's a couple of things that you can do to make it easier. Now, the first thing is maybe think about not fasting. The benefit of intermittent fasting is that it incorporates a lot of flexibility. So if there's times when you're really struggling, you can just not do it on those days and revert back to it when you're more able, or you have more resources. So that's one option. The other option that I tend to like is to be a bit flexible. So maybe put off your eating and then skip breakfast, and then whatever time you do feel like you really need to eat, then eat at that time, but have a few go-to things. So for me, I take a tub of peanut butter with me and dark chocolate, 85% dark chocolate and 100% peanut butter, and then I know when I'm hungry, I'm still going to have access to calorie dense foods which are good for me, and I won't be tempted to revert to getting things from service stations and getting some junk. So that's a couple of options. Have your go-to kind of solid things that you can easily take with you, can transport and can have on the go with you, and also think about being a bit flexible with your timing. So those are two options which can help you get through it. The other thing you might want to do is maybe switch from doing intermittent fasting to just clean eating. So if you think about, if you're struggling time wise, especially if you're shifting time zones, then you may want to not do intermittent fasting, have eat when you feel like eating, but making sure that you're having 3 clean meals. So making sure what you are eating when you are able to eat is really clean, and that way you can get back to intermittent fasting when you get a chance, but it won't have done too much damage in the interim. Hope that helps. Thanks, guys.